How to see old tweets on Twitter. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Twitter application. Now tap on the search bar. Now copy someone user ID. For example, I will take Zofra Archer. Now go to the search bar. Type the following from username, since starting date, now space semicolon and end date. Now tap on search. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.